You've chosen the Tekonsha ZCI as your tow vehicle to trailer lighting module, and you are ready to probe the vehicle's lighting functions. However, testing for lighting function may be difficult because probing of a connector is not recommended on vehicles with lamp-out sensors, or access to the connector is not possible, and piercing of today's vehicle wiring using a probe tester is not advised. The versatility of the Tekonsha ZCI allows a solution to determine a vehicle's lighting input functions without probing. Today, we are going to show you how to use the Tekonsha ModuLite ZCI, part number 119250, as a circuit tester to determine a vehicle's lighting input functions. The only tools required are the Tekonsha ModuLite ZCI and a 4-flat electrical tester. For this video demonstration, we will be using the trailer wire plug tester, part number 20114. It's always best to know your vehicle's wiring code, as this will enable you to know which functions are operating on what wires. The vehicle's wiring code can be found in the Horizon Global catalog or online at tekonsha.com. To test the vehicle's different lighting functions, you will need to use the ZCI's red stop sensor input. The red, or stop, input is the only sensor capable of independently detecting the high or low PWM, or pulse width modulation signal. For this demonstration, we have strung the ZCI 4-flat connector and tester through the taillight pocket. To start, install the power wire from the ZCI module mounted in the vehicle to the vehicle's battery. Snap the ZCI's red stop sensor over the first wire you will test for function. As always, the arrow on the ZCI sensor lid should be facing toward the direction of the vehicle light. Close all the other lids to the ZCI sensors. Now, start the vehicle and be sure all vehicle lighting functions are turned off. Please note, when testing, the vehicle must be in run mode and not the accessory mode. Begin testing the first circuit wire by turning on the vehicle's lighting functions: the left turn signal, the right turn signal, the running lights, and the brake, one at a time. If any of the lights on the trailer wire plug tester turn on, the tested vehicle function is present on the circuit wire. If none of the lights on the trailer wire plug tester turn on, the tested vehicle function is not present on the circuit wire. Please note that the illuminated lights on the trailer wire plug tester may not match the lighting function being tested. As long as any of the tester lights turn on when testing a function, the function is present on that circuit wire. It is important to test each circuit wire for every function. Multiple functions may be present on an individual circuit wire dependent on the wiring code for the vehicle. Refer to the Input Determination Steps section of the ZCI's installation instructions for detailed wiring code information. We recommend to turn off the vehicle and remove the fuse to the ZCI each time before moving the ZCI's red stop sensor to the next wire to test function. Some vehicles may be difficult to obtain an isolated tail or brake function. If this happens, a good alternate location to get these signals will be at the chimsel for the brake and the license plate for the tail. Now that you have found the vehicle's lighting input functions, refer to the ZCI's installation instructions to finish the setup of the Tekonsha ZCI for final tow vehicle to trailer lighting setup. When wiring your trailer for lighting, the need to cut, snip, or splice is a thing of the past. The versatility of the Tekonsha ZCI and its snap, don't snip technology make it the perfect solution for your tow vehicle to trailer wiring needs. For more information about the ZCI and all the great products from Tekonsha, visit tekonsha.com. Tekonsha, life's a journey. Stop often.